next kuwe khonapho uzawube register akhethe umuntu oyenza ukuthi izwe liyenze njani limsebenzele yena but not you. That's as simple as that. So you don't participate in voting. Those who participate will create the world or the country that works for them, not for you. People in politics in this country are not in trouble. They are living very well, very much. That's because they've created a country that works for them, but not for you. And the only way you can get somebody to create a country that works for you is for you to select that person who thinks like you, who thinks things ought to be done the way you think. And the only way to do it is to register and vote and choose those people, that person or those people who believe in the same things that you believe in. Not in the same things that the guys who are there now believe in, as we can see the outcomes. But they themselves are living very well. Indeed. I think that once you've answered what representation is about, what election is about, your question, the answer to your question becomes clear.